Yo! My name's Yin Yang and I'm singing Down by Jay Sean. Where's Hannah Montana? You were my only, no need to worry. Baby, the sky is falling down. You my only, no need to worry. Baby, are you down, 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 down? Baby, are you down, 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 down? The sky is falling down like she's supposed to be. She gets down all over me, down like her temperature. She's zero till she comes over. I got that girl from overseas. I miss America. I cannot be a soldier, please. For this girl, I'm about to feel her love. She looks like baby Cupid sending arrows from above. Ever leave the side of me? Definitely not, probably. Honestly, I'm down like the economy, baby. Dude, I'm done. I'm done. Come on, I don't know anything else. Thank you.
Judge
Go.
number 1.
Fool, what were you doing? You are no Hannah Montana.
Ah, yo, I am not trying to be Hannah Montana. Ew.
You.
Yo.
Wait.
Okay, Judge number 2. Judge number 2's turn to talk.
Get that camera out of my face, woman. Yo, the only reason why you sang that song was because your boyfriend's black, fool.
Hey, it's Trucy. She goes walks off.